Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff.
This is a video about fun things to do with boxes, I mean.
It is. It's a video about fun things to do with boxes.
Okay, so you know Costco? They basically give away like free boxes to put like the food and stuff in that you're taking home. And
we've gotten a little bit more creative with the boxes than using them to put food and stuff in. This all started with a couple Squishmallow boxes.
We saw that at Costco there was like
There were extra Squishmallow boxes. There's 2 of these boxes. And the Snuggle Throw was sold inside it, but Molly loves Squishmallows, and it says Squishmallows and has pictures of Squishmallows. And on the sides, once again, it says Squishmallows and has pictures of Squishmallows. So it's kind of super cute just as is. And we just stacked 2 of them on top of each other, and she keeps a bunch of her stuffed animals in there. And what it was selling was this throw right here. Can you like open it up?
This thing, I think
which is covered in Squishmallows. You're organizing all of your cards in the slots of this box.
And then, like, seriously, I think they have, like, more of these boxes at Costco.
Yeah, and then another one over
plus
here.
There are these boxes where it's, like, Kirkland krill oil.
Yeah.
1 per day, and it's just, like, they're perfect to store. They're perfect to store books. I mean, like, I have all these Magic Treehouse books, and then right
over
here, I have my favorite books of all time, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Last Ronin books.
This is another amazing thing you can make out of boxes. This is a Costco box that is filled with stuffed animals and Pokemon card binder and stuff.
And a yearbook from school.
My thought is that we'll get some contact paper to put on the outside, like peel and stick paper, so that we can make it look whatever color or whatever you want, but that's almost like a little comfy chair.
And plus, over here, I did the exact same thing as what I did way over there with, like, making a chair.
It's a box filled with stuffed animals that you could sit on. All right, we have some more boxes. You can see that's a Pepto-Bismol box, and there's a blanket in it.
Doodle is sitting in here.
That's kind of a DIY dog bed. If you want to make it look extra cool, you could get peel and stick wallpaper or contact paper, and then you can make the outside of the box look like it's not a box. Oh, you made a little tower.
Yeah, so I have that box down there with kind of like some big stuffed animals. Then I have this one just piled with other stuffed animals. Then I have these books, which are just like kind of yearbooks. And yeah,
and you have your cards up there. Molly, do you want to show me that bookmark that I made for you? So one thing that I often do with boxes that are pretty is cut them to make bookmarks, because you really don't need to buy bookmarks when a box is just this pretty, and it's so easy to do. You can do this with any box. This is just a pretty floral box that before putting it in the trash, I cut a few bookmarks out of it. And then also we have some Gabby's Dollhouse videos that we've done, and this was from one of the Gabby's Dollhouse boxes. This was the side of the box. I literally just cut off the side of the box, and I think it makes a super cute bookmark. This must have been from the Craft Gabby, because it says Crafterific Gabby Girl, so be sure to look for that video. And then I'm gonna make these underwear boxes into bookmarks, because as you can see, if you cut it like right here and right here and on the sides, it would make a perfect bookmark. So let me go do that right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
Okay, and Mom, do it with that one,
The Frozen one and the Gabby's Dollhouse one. Gabby's Dollhouse bookmark, Bluey bookmark, and Frozen bookmark. What did Walter make for you out of a box?
A shirt folder.
A shirt folder? So you're gonna fold this t-shirt with this box?
Yes.
Put the t-shirt on the t-shirt folder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfectly folded t-shirt. We're gonna make a second one to show you how we made it. The first thing you do is you're cutting off one side of the box. You cut it so that it has 3 sections like this. And if you had a box that was huge like this one and doesn't have these folds in it, you could just make a fold. You could fold it like where you need it to be. So 7 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches for the width. And then for the folding part this way, you could just do 5 inches for each of them, which on the metric system, that would be about 13 centimeters. So you cut down, and then you cut down equally on the other side.
Cut it just a little bit, like
1.5 inches.
Like 1.5 inches, basically. Yeah, it folds better.
Do the same thing on the bottom. This is a good size for any size t-shirt, but depending on what t-shirt size you wear, you may want it to be longer.
Sure.
Let Molly try it out. Okay, Molly, come on over. You need to put it in the center.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. in there.
It's the first time it's being used.
It might be a little bit flimsy the first time it's being used, but
there you go.
it still does the job.
T-shirt, they could go right in your drawer.
Yes.
We do have a Barbie swimming pool downstairs that was made out of a Barbie box. So the outside cardboard box is a box that the Chamber of Secrets came in. And then this was from the Barbie set. It was a Barbie Dreamtopia set we got at Costco. And then he added some blue paper to the bottom and...
Molly just added stickers and...
Yeah, and so now it's a Barbie swimming pool. Not that we don't have real Barbie swimming pools, but this is the biggest one we have. Oh, you made something at school. You made a claw machine.
Yeah, at school I made a claw machine with a box.
Oh, yeah.
It's an actual working claw machine.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah, but wait, there's more. Move the t-shirts. Put fingers behind here. Oh.
Ooh, secret compartment.
And then I have these. And then I have this thing that I used when I was in 3rd grade. And then I have this, which is actually really fun. This is how you make a box really sturdy. So first, you have to fold like the 2 small sides in. And they don't even have to stay really. But then you push these in. And then push this in. And then...
It's a lot sturdier. Yeah. You want to be careful about not putting anything too heavy in the boxes.
Or on top of them. Like this one I kind of put a lot of trust in because, I mean...
So basically you can make a lot of cool things out of boxes. And if you don't want to pay for boxes and you have a Costco membership, go there and get a bunch of boxes for free in all sorts of different shapes, sizes, and colors. Thanks for watching Pretty Creative Stuff. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about more upcoming videos about creative, fun ideas. See you next time.